With the increase in foodborne illnesses, the need for trained food handlers increases. The food business operators or FBOs must ensure that its personnel are trained in the art of handling and serving food in a safe and hygienic manner. Hello, my name is Dr. Pulkit Mathur, and today we will discuss about the different aspects of training and managerial responsibilities for a food business operator. Let's begin this module with a detailed lesson on the key elements of a training module. In the food industry, it is important that all employees are trained on the aspects of food safety so as to reduce the incidence of foodborne illnesses. It is the responsibility of the management to train their employees on sanitation and food safety and hygiene practices. An efficient training plan should be divided into 4 categories: induction training, FSSAI key parameters, Schedule 4 requirements, and elaborate FSMS implementation guidelines. Let us now understand what the FSSAI training mandate states. As per Section 16(3)(h) of the Food Safety and Standards Act of 2006, FSSAI will provide, whether within or outside their area, training programs in food safety and standards for persons who are or intend to become involved in food businesses, whether as food business operators or employees or otherwise. Under this, the Food Safety Training and Certification or FSSAI was developed with the basic aim to create food safety supervisors, also known as FSS, for all food service establishments with central or state license. It is essential for food businesses with central or state license to have FSS for every 25 food handlers in each of their premises. The FSS is responsible for initiating the maintenance of food hygiene as per the FSS regulations and to train the food handlers in their respective food service establishments. FSSAI provides competence-based courses under 3 categories, namely Basic, Advanced and Special. Catering, Retail and Distribution, Storage, Transportation and Manufacturing are included in both the basic and the advanced courses. Street food vendor courses come under the basic level. Bakery, oil, packaged water, fish and seafood, meat and poultry, and milk products are a part of the special courses. Let's list the points a good training program should include. A training program should be able to help the food handlers to be, number 1, instructed and trained in food hygiene and food safety aspects along with personal hygiene requirements corresponding to their work activities, the nature of the food, its handling, processing, preparation, packaging, storage and service and distribution. They should be made aware of their roles and responsibilities in protecting food from contamination. Training should also be provided to the personnel who are responsible for monitoring, measurements and corrective actions in the food safety management system. Management should promote and provide food safety training to their employees and food handlers by carrying out ongoing in-house courses for them or arrange appropriate courses offered as per the nature of the work. Coming to the next part of the module, we will now talk about the refresher training or retraining. It is important to provide effective periodic trainings to the personnel involved in the food handling in order to keep them up to date with the latest food safety information. Here are some relevant features the training program should include. The food business operator should plan a training program which includes induction, awareness, and continuous refresher training. Annual training calendar should be prepared covering all relevant topics pertaining to the food businesses and food safety. Food handlers must be trained or instructed in food hygiene matters depending on their work activity. They should be trained enough to carry out specific job safely and to ensure the production of safe food. The trainings should be periodic, recorded, and its effectiveness is measured by evaluation or other suitable methods. The refresher training should be continuous so as to ensure that all food handlers always implement the good hygiene practices. For a trained FSSAI food safety supervisor, it is essential to undergo refresher training after the completion of 2 years. Next, we will discuss the responsibilities of the managers and supervisors. Managers and supervisors are the individuals who will ensure that the standard operating procedure as laid down in the workplace with respect to food hygiene, documentation, and proper training of personnel is being followed properly. Managers or supervisors should continually improve the effectiveness of the food hygiene systems in place by ensuring that the roles and responsibilities are clearly communicated to the food handlers in the food business. Maintaining the integrity of the food hygiene system when changes are planned and implemented. Verifying that controls are working and documentation is up to date. Ensuring that appropriate training and supervision is in place for the personnel. Ensuring compliance with relevant statutory and regulatory requirements. And enabling a strong food safety culture by demonstrating commitment of providing safe and suitable food and encouraging appropriate food safety behaviors. With that, we come to the end of today's module. Thank you for watching this video.